Hello everyone, welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. We appreciate you joining us and your continued support. Welcome to our affordable tiny house tour in Juja, Kenya. In this video, we'll take you through a beautiful Bungalow tiny home that has been designed and built by 47 Investments under their Jenga Pole Pole initiative, which makes it possible to own a home even on a tight budget. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom is perfect for those looking for minimalist lifestyle without sacrificing comfort and style. So let's get started and kindly watch until the end. Like, share on YouTube and other platforms. Leave a comment letting us know what you think about this tiny home model. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, we would appreciate if you'd consider subscribing. If you're watching this video on another platform apart from YouTube, please head to YouTube and search for Emerge Kenya TV to be able to share, to like, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Before we step inside, let's take a look at the exterior of this beautiful tiny house. As you can see, it has a sleek and modern design with a flat roof and numerous windows to let in plenty of natural light. The exterior is made out of high quality materials and paint that are durable and sustainable. Stepping inside, you are greeted with a cozy living room that's perfect for relaxing and unwinding. You'll also notice that there is plenty of natural light streaming in from the many windows, making this space feel bright and inviting. Next, we have the open kitchen, which is one of the highlights of this tiny home. Despite its small size, it has everything you need to prepare yummy meals. The kitchen has a beautiful countertop, double sink, enough cabinets, which make it both functional and stylish. The backyard offers enough space to hang out and even for a kitchen garden. walk inside, this tiny home comes with 2 bathrooms that are beautifully designed and include all the amenities you need, including a shower, a sink, and a toilet. Like I told you earlier, this tiny home has 2 bedrooms. The bedrooms are cozy and comfortable, with enough space to fit a full-size bed, and also comes with an inbuilt wardrobe. This tiny house also offers a lounge on the rooftop, which gives many possibilities for your family and guests. It also gives a great view of the neighborhood and also a great place to hang out. Thank you so much for joining us on this tour of an affordable tiny house in Juja, Kenya. Kindly like the video, share it out with family and friends, leave a comment and subscribe. We hope you enjoyed how 47 Investments designed and built this beautiful bungalow tiny home. If you are interested in owning a home or even downsizing your life and living more sustainably, be sure to check out the 47 Investments on their website for more information, or call them for more house designs and options. And until our next video, have a good one, be safe, be kind, and cheers. Bye bye.